name's Mike Lambert. I am a controls tech here at Flex and Gate. Robots are instrumental in production of any kind of product today. Working with collaborative robots is new to me since I got here at Flex and Gate. Prior to that, I hadn't any experience with collaborative robots. What I've noticed with the collaborative robots is that they're really easy for the operators to work around and with.
At this Flex and Gate facility, we primarily manufacture bumpers. In the past, we would have to put in cameras that would pick up every fog hole, every push pin, every FBA.
In one station, we've got 11, 12 cameras in there. The cameras can cost up to $10,000 a piece. With the collaborative robot, you have one camera and the robot moves the camera around to the areas where it needs to be inspected. Just in that sense alone, one camera versus 10, 12 cameras, there's a lot of savings. Also, just the safeguarding for the traditional robot, all the fencing that you have to put around it, you don't have that anymore.
Our other robots, we have these massive cages around, and then on top of that, you have to have all kinds of safety locks and auto locks. All that costs a lot of money.
You save some space. With the traditional robot, you have to cage it all off for safety. With the collaborative, the safety is kind of built into the robot itself. It doesn't have to be a big cumbersome chunk of real estate that you're taking up. You can also integrate that in with your regular line and with your regular employees. So the operators can work closely to it and with it.
It makes it a lot easier for them and us, so they truly enjoy it.
We integrated the collaborative robot, and after we integrated it, about a week or so, I walked out there, and they're working right next to the robot. As the robot's taking pictures of one side of the bumper, they're wiping off the other side of the bumper, and it's like, wow.
My dealings with the Fanuc robots this far, it's been nothing but great because we have very, very little downtime. They're compact, they're small, but you know, they're mighty.
Service first guarantee on a Fanuc is an insurance policy for you. You don't know everything there is to know about those robots, and the companies that build them do. Being able to make a phone call, one of the Fanuc reps come up here, and to work hand in hand with you, you need that kind of support. Excuse the phrase, it's priceless.